Again, I'm giving them an argument because I'm not how long this video no go. I'm not but I just saw it. I just saw it. The man said that Ebuka Obi should be very, very careful. Come the year 2026, that he should be very, very careful. So when we the video, and when the message post to a few weeks ago, I think a few weeks ago, in between 2 weeks ago or so now, one man of God very well about Ebuka Obi, Pastor Chris Oyakileme, and Pastor Apostle Prophet Uche, in South Africa. That now God has a very big agenda for them. Come the year 2026, yes. Come the year 2026. Mana, the people should pray for them. Mana, God will sustain them. But the attack that will come upon them, if prayer is not done adequately, that is going to shake them. Mana, but one thing he knows that a bigger assignment comes with a bigger attack. Mana, after that, what here ikuku bugali luku isi Moses. You that is being told to pray. For the elite. Because now, when such thing, a lot of people here baby say, when 2,000 people using the denomination or 1,000, because now anywhere acidic is yoku. So by the time those things many people will lose their faith. Attack like on your Pastor Chris Nokita, and what is in him mother didn't know why. Pastor Chris da. Pastor Chris na chukwu jiri alụ ọlụ. Onwere ihe emegide n'ụwa ka esi na Prophet Uche nke no South Africa onye Igbo anyị na chukwu jiri alụ ọlụ. Mana this message has been coming often. And with the one man of God gathered to the level of saying that now that Prophet Uche in South Africa that they are using his members, and that as he speak now, they have tapped into the CCTV camera now to catch something. That he should be very, 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 very careful. That's no now. That he should not trust anybody now but Nabia. For now. That they have went as far as tapping into the CCTV camera, then that they have monitored some hidden camera somewhere in order to make sure that where there. Man, once that now why are South Africans so wicked? So his attack will be coming from his South African audience or that place. Then in Ebuka Obi as well will be coming from the inner people again. Like this man in the course now, as for according to him on the that will come out and say man, at the end of the day, that the will of God will prevail. So because kind of 2026, because in everything you do, remember to put the men of God you love into prayer. I'm not saying all the men of God. Emalanda he like it, or ya be him meha with again. So that within that put them in your prayers. So that that thing because when they have stamina to stand. Like I said, when here when some men of God have be patani about it, man get against. But again, when they have stamina to stand firm in that kind of situation. And when they are one side. So for the sake of those people now, your men of God you love in prayer. If I say all the men of God are similar one of the stamina manner, I'm an everybody when individually. So so that the will of the enemy shall not stand. Even if it comes, that God will take absolute control. So thank you all for watching this video. So here the pastor God one.
God bless all the viewers all over the world. I want to give this message to all the whole world. My name is Evangelist Gabriel. There is a vision God showed me, and this vision, this is the second time the Lord is reviewing this message to me. I beg all the whole people that will see this video from Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, please make sure you share. The Lord showed me this. This is the second time the Lord is showing me this revelation. The Lord showed me about Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I know that so many people will attack this message. Why always Evangelist Ebuka? I don't know why God is always telling me about Ebuka Obi. But I can never swallow the message of God. I will bear the consequences of the message, keeping it within me. The Lord has shown me this message before, and I come out here and say it. The Lord repeated the vision again. The Lord said I should say it. The Lord showed me where Evangelist Ebuka Obi was arrested concerning alleged prophecies, alleged false prophecies. This is what the Lord showed me, where I saw policemen. I saw about 5 vehicles. Evangelist Ebuka Obi was on his office. They came as people that came to visit him. Before you know it, they show him card that he is under arrest. There are people who is monitoring Evangelist Ebuka Obi open heaven and all his activities in Zion ministry. They have few petitions. They have filed so many petitions in a spiritual realm. God showed me they have filed so many petitions against Evangelist Ebuka Obi. They filed a false prophecies that he have given a false prophecy, both open heaven and physically in Zion. And on that file, the Lord showed me, they said there is people that they paid to come and confess that what Ebuka prophesied to them is fake. And the evangelist Ebuka on that vision was arrested. This is what the Lord showed me. The Lord said I should give this message to Ebuka for those that love Zion, for those that love Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want you to take this message to Ebuka Obi. Tell him that Evangelist Chimezie Gabriel or Christian says there are people who is planning to arrest him, saying that he is manifesting false prophecies. He is deceiving the community. He is deceiving the world, entire world, with false prophecies. This is what the Lord showed me. And through this message, he will be arrested and they will take him to court. And the court will jail him on that drain. The Lord showed me this message. You know, so many of you cannot take my message serious. Go and check all my prophecies. When I mentioned about Emoapai without 2025, he died. The Lord showed me in vision. The message, the prophecy is here. When I mentioned they will arrest that man, they arrested that man. The prophecy is here. So many prophecies I mentioned, they come to pass. This is the second time the Lord is showing me about arrest on Ebuka Obi, alleged of false prophecies, both open heaven and physically in Zion ground. This is what the Lord showed me. Send this message to Ebuka Obi. The Lord is sending this message to him. Let him be careful the way he gives prophecies online, especially in open heaven, mostly in open heaven. Let him be careful the way he accepts people's testimony in Zion. This is a message from God. If not, all the fight and petitions I saw on a spiritual realm will come to manifestation in physical realm. I am a servant of Most High God. This is the message the Lord showed me, and I want you to deliver this message to Ebuka Obi, the lovers of Zion ministry. I don't want Ebuka Obi to be jailed. They have filed the petitions and they are searching more where they will catch him and where they will hijack him. If you love Evangelist Ebuka Obi, pray for him, share this video, tag Zion ministry, Send it to Ebuka Obi and let him pray and let him be careful of how he prophesy. This is the message of God. May the peace of the Lord be with all of you. In the name of Jesus, I love all.